the world's first full dual-screen OLED, multi-mode laptop. IT Gallery Lenovo Experience Store. Engineered to do it all, that's a laptop evolved. Take full advantage of the multitasking potential of the dual-screen YogaBook 9i Gen 8 laptop. It features 13th Gen Intel Core processors that extend beyond performance to let your PC do even more than you thought it could. This Intel Evo platform standard thin and light laptop delivers a premium mobile experience for multitasking creatively while minimizing impact on responsiveness, battery life, or connectivity. The Book of Limitless Possibilities. Two stunning 13.3 inches pure sight OLED displays for versatile use. Powered by 13th Gen Intel Core processors and the Intel Evo platform. Detachable Bluetooth keyboard, stylus pen, and folio stand included. Carbon-neutral construction and eco-friendly packaging. Limitless possibilities and incredible entertainment with Dolby Atmos and Bowers & Wilkins speakers. Processor up to 13th Gen Intel Core i7-1355U. Operating system up to Windows 11 Pro. Graphics Intel Iris Xe. Memory 16GB LPDDR5X. Storage up to 1TB PCIe SSD Gen 4. Battery up to 7.3 hours, MM18. Up to 14 hours, single-screen video playback. Up to 10 hours, dual-screen video playback. Rapid charge support. Audio 2x2W plus 2x1W Bowers & Wilkins speakers. Dolby Atmos. A real page-turner. Get ready to level up your content creation game with the YogaBook 9i. With its full-size dual OLED screens, you can now run multiple apps at the same time and in different orientations. Unleash your creativity with an expanded workspace for your favorite creative software. Intuitively switch between apps and projects and show the world what you've got on social platforms, Teams, Zoom, and beyond. The YogaBook 9i Gen 8, 13, Intel, Carbon Neutral Certified, Energy Star rated, and EPEAT Gold registered, has plastic-free packaging using paperboard cushioning, paper-made system bag, and FSC-TM certified paper wrap, **. It's built with 90% recycled plastic in the power adapter case and 100% recycled aluminum in the top cover. The Lenovo YogaBook 9i's dual displays 13.3 inches have a resolution of 2880 by 1800 and use an OLED panel. They also look excellent in all situations. OLED provides superior contrast with deep inky black levels and superior shadow detail. Color performance is great, too, with a wide color gamut and solid color accuracy. Sharpness is superb with a pixel density of roughly 255 pixels per inch. The displays cram over 10.3 million pixels in total, which is 2 million more than the roughly 8.3 million pixels of a 4K display. You can now run multiple apps at the same time and in different orientations. Unleash your creativity with an expanded workspace for your favorite creative software. Intuitively switch between apps and projects and show the world what you've got on social platforms, Teams, Zoom, and beyond. Ports, slots. Right. 2x Intel Thunderbolt 4, AOUBC 1.2 support. Left. Intel Thunderbolt 4. Keyboard. A bundled wireless keyboard connects to the YogaBook 9i via Bluetooth. When used as a laptop, the keyboard is placed in a position just below the primary display. It can also be used on a desk, attached magnetically to the kickstand, or shifted towards the bottom half of the laptop, which enables a portion of the lower display. Lenovo offers another surprise win with the webcam. A bump out in the top of the display bezel provides room for a 5-megapixel webcam that can record video at up to 1440p resolution and 30 frames per second. Video is sharp even in a room with only modest lighting. The camera picks up accurate and well-saturated colors that will help you look your best. Audio is recorded through a noise-cancelling microphone array. Audio comes through crisp and clear.